Welcome to the most money-saving tech channel in all of YouTube, where we review tech, show you how to do cool tech things, and most of all save you money in all things tech and beyond. Accidents happen to our expensive tech, and you have options you never knew about. Dropped your brand new phone in a sink full of water? Leave your precious phone at the food court, then turned around and it disappeared? Did your toddler knock your iPad on the floor and now the screen is all spider-webbed? Did you drop your new Galaxy phone on concrete and heard it smash? If you use the right credit card for the full purchase price, you don't have to worry at all. Did you know your credit card can save you money rather than drain your savings? It's not just a tool for spending, but a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be utilized. We're talking about credit card benefits, things often that go unnoticed by many cardholders. These perks, when leveraged efficiently, can save you a significant amount of money, turning your card into a financial ally rather than a debt generator. From extended warranties to price protection, and even cellular wireless phone protection, the advantages are plenty. Let's dive into these benefits one by one and see how they can work in your favor. First up, let's discuss extended warranties. A benefit that doubles the manufacturer's warranty on your purchases up to 2 years. Now, what does this mean? Well, many credit cards offer this benefit and can extend the life of the manufacturer's warranty on products you purchase using the card. This can be particularly beneficial when you're investing in expensive electronics and appliances. These items often come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, but your credit card could extend that warranty by another year. If your warranty was 2 years from the manufacturer, then you have 2 more years. Imagine not having to worry about your new laptop or smartphone breaking down unexpectedly and footing the bill for costly repairs or replacements. This benefit could save you a significant amount of money in the long run. I work in technology and require my phone 24/7. I explain this in my warranty claim and how I cannot send in my smartphone for repair as I can't be without it. Due to this, they will typically refund what I paid. Your situation may be different, and you must be honest with the claim. It will be verified. This insurance can be a real game changer, especially for those big-ticket items. You must use the card to pay for the entire purchase price of the item and not a monthly lease, and it must have a U.S. warranty. It must be new and not remanufactured. Please check the details with your credit card company and make sure you follow their rules. So before you shell out for that extra store warranty, check your credit card benefits first. Next, we have price protection. Ever bought something only to see it go on sale a week later? Price protection has you covered. Imagine this scenario. You've just splurged on an awesome, brand new top-of-the-line gadget a month before Black Friday. A month later, you spot a sale ad for the same item at a significantly lower price. It's a frustrating situation, isn't it? But with price protection, that frustration can be a thing of the past. You can possibly guess what will be on sale before Black Friday. If you bought it earlier and it goes on sale, you didn't have to wait to make the purchase, and you didn't have to get up at weird hours and maybe not get your item. It was in stock. The model number of what you purchased must match the model that went on sale. Be sure to understand the details of your card's coverage. Here's how it works. If you see that item you purchased with your credit card advertised at a lower price within a certain time frame, your credit card company may refund you the difference. It's like having your own personal sale detective, always on the lookout for better deals. This can be particularly beneficial during sales seasons, when prices fluctuate rapidly. So, the next time you make a big purchase, remember this handy perk. With price protection, you'll never have to worry about missing out on a better deal. Just be sure that the savings are not over the amount allowed and that it's not a percentage off, but an actual price in the ad. Say hello to cellular wireless phone protection, a lifesaver for those unexpected phone mishaps. All it requires is that you pay your monthly phone bill with your card. This fantastic credit card benefit can cover the cost of phone repair or even replacement if your phone meets an unfortunate end. Be it a slip from your hand, a plunge into the swimming pool, or the toilet, or smashed on your tile floor, your credit card company might just have your back. You may only have a small deductible to pay. Imagine the relief of not having to shell out hundreds or possibly thousands of dollars for a new phone or costly repairs. It's like having a safety net for your precious device, providing peace of mind in our digital-driven world. So, next time you drop your phone, remember your credit card may have you covered. Finally, we have purchase assurance, an assurance that can protect your purchases from theft or damage. Picture this. You've just bought a brand new, high-end laptop. It's sleek, it's powerful, it's your new pride and joy. But then, disaster strikes. It's stolen or accidentally damaged beyond repair. Normally, this would be an expensive headache. But with purchase assurance, you've got a safety net. If the unfortunate happens within a certain period after your purchase is made, typically within 90 to 120 days, your credit card may refund you the cost. This isn't just for tech gadgets, but applies to a wide range of items you buy with your card. The potential savings here can be substantial, particularly on high-value items. With purchase assurance, your purchases are protected, giving you peace of mind. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your shopping, standing ready to step in when things go wrong. And that's a benefit worth having. So, there you have it. For incredible ways your credit card can save you money. With extended warranties, you could get your phone refunded. Price protection ensures you're not paying more than necessary. Cellular wireless phone protection is like a safety net for your mobile device. And purchase assurance, which can refund you if your item meets an unfortunate fate within 90 days of purchase. So, dive into your credit card benefits, use them wisely, and watch the savings roll in. Remember, your credit card is not just for spending. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can bring significant savings. So, make the most of your card and let it work for you. I recommend getting the Walmart World Elite MasterCard as it has all these benefits plus much more. Do us a favor and hit the subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. Have a great day.